Okay guys, today what I'm going to show you how to do is adjust your image to black and white. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go File, Open, and you're going to open your picture. So just give me 1 second. I am going to just open a picture so you can see how to turn it black and white. So I'm just going to do this one of my daughter. If I can find it. Here we go. So this is my daughter's school pictures. And we're going to play with the levels and we're going to turn it black and white. So our first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Image, Adjustments, Black and White, press OK, and then we're going to go to Image, Adjustments, Levels. So I'm going to pull these arrows more towards the center to get a better variety of color. So this one's going to make the brighter areas brighter. This one's going to make the darker areas darker, and you can see how it's darkening her hair and like some of the background. And then this is going to help me play with my middle range. So I want to see more information, not less, because if I bring this over too far, all of the shadows on her face are going to disappear. And I don't want that. Like, I want to see like those different shadows, because those shadows are what make my daughter Evie, Evie. The shadows on your face are what's going to make your image look more like you. So once I've done that, I'm going to press OK. And I'm going to File, Save As, because we don't want to save over our original. And we're just going to call this Black and White Self. And we're ready to load it into Adobe Illustrator for Live Trace.